Hi everyone and happy holidays! I'm filming here in Lacombe, Alberta at one of the most Christmassy houses I've ever seen. We're on a tour and I want to take you along. I'm outside the home of Deb Martin, who lives in Lacombe and has generously offered to open her doors so that we can go and explore her Christmas-themed house. She does the tour each year, but this year all proceeds are going to support her granddaughter's ringette team, so we were more than happy to support it. There are trees of every size, shape, and color in this house, and it seems to be one in every single room. In fact, Deb had 7 trees just on her main floor and 5 more in the upstairs rooms, each decorated to the max with gorgeous, glittering, and themed ornaments. We started with what she called the copper tree. Then the icicle tree. Next up was a very traditional looking tree dressed in the colors of Santa Claus. In the kitchen, there was a fun candy-themed tree, perfect to accompany the tasty punch and Christmas treats that Deb serves her visitors. The main sitting room had a tree that was perfect for family Christmas photos. Leading into the hallway and up the stairs was a very unique lime green tree.
These Christmas trees are beautiful. I like it so much, and I love you, whatever your name is.
Even on the stairs themselves, you could find a tree. This one was dedicated to the arts, with dance and music as the theme. My favorite tree, of course, is the shoe tree. Even the master bathroom has its very own Christmas tree. Deb said one of the more popular trees this year on her tour was the peacock tree. Well, you can't put a tree in the master bathroom and forget about your guest bathroom. I also really appreciated the Nightmare Before Christmas themed tree. If you do decide to come to visit, make sure you try and count how many Santas you can find and how many nutcrackers you can find. Presumably, there are over 100 of each. Visiting the most Christmassy house in town was a fun way to get into the holiday spirit, and my kids were thrilled with the magical atmosphere. There was so much to see. So many trees, Santas, nutcrackers, and other fantastic ornaments and decorations.
I love this house and I don't want to leave.
I want to give a big thank you to Deb, who opened up her home to us and allowed us to marvel at her holiday decorating skills. I hope you do it again next Christmas season. To my viewers, how do you decorate for the holidays? Does your town offer a tour like this? If you enjoyed my festive video, please remember to click that thumbs up button and, more importantly, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Help Down the Rabbit Hole Travel continue to grow. Happy holidays to all my viewers. May it be filled with love and laughter from both friends and family.